Good afternoon. This is Dr. Madhusudan Reddy, PBR with Kavali. This video session for second sem EEE students. Subject is Basic Electrical Circuits. Unit 1, Introduction to Magnetic Circuits. Topics to be covered is analysis of series magnetic circuit, analysis of parallel magnetic circuit, MMF calculations. So these things will cover in this video session. So first we start with analysis of series magnetic circuits. See here, it's also called as a inductive coupling in series. When two inductors having self L1 and L2 are in series and mutual inductance M exists between them, there are two kinds of series connections are possible. Series aiding, series opposing. I will clarify thoroughly what is this series aiding, what is series opposing. So first we start with the series aiding. We remember, dear students, in this connection, two coils are connected in series such that their induced fluxes or voltages are additive in nature. Mean the resultant flux is equal to pi 1 plus pi. The total flux would be additive in nature. Hence, currents I1 and I2 is nothing but current I, which is entering dots for both the coils. Meaning, in series connection, the current flow through the two coils is same. That same is I only. So see here. So these are coils are connected. When it is called as aiding, both are entering or both are leaving dots. If the coils containing both are entering or both are leaving dots, then series aiding. If one is entering, another is leaving. So in this series aiding, see here, mutual inductance between these two coils is M. Individual coil inductance is L1 and L2. Voltage across coil 1 is V1. Voltage across coil 2 is V2. Again, this voltage across coil 1, V1, is contained two magnitude of induced EMFs. Number one is self-induced EMF due to self-inductance. Number two is mutual induced EMF due to mutual inductance. Here, V1 is equal to L1 into di1 by dt plus M into di2 by dt. But here, I1, I2 both are same current, is I. Therefore, L1 into di by dt plus M into di by dt. Here plus sign because of aiding in nature. Both are entering in dots. Next, voltage across second coil, V2. L2 into di2 by dt plus M into di1 by dt. Therefore, here I1 is equal to I2 is equal to I. L2 into di by dt plus M into di by dt. Now we add these two equations. V total is equal to V1 plus V2. Therefore, here we see that L1 plus L2 plus M plus M, 2M into di by dt. Where here L1 plus L2 plus 2M into di by dt. But again, V total is equal to L total into di by dt is equal to L1 plus L2 plus 2M into di by dt. di by dt gets cancelled. We are getting the remaining term is L total is also total inductance or equivalent inductance is equal to L1 plus L2 plus 2M. So we remember, dear students, in series aiding, the total inductance of aiding coils or two coils should be equal to the algebraic sum of self-inductance plus 2 times called as total inductance. Therefore, L1 plus L2 plus M, where L total is total inductance of two coils in series aiding, L1 is self-inductance of first coil, L2 is self-inductance of second coil, M is mutual inductance of two coils. The second is in series connection, series opposing. See here, one is entering, another is leaving. See here, this is entering, this is leaving. So here you see that in this connection, two coils are connected in series. Their induced fluxes or voltages are opposite polarities, opposite in nature. Therefore, total flux pi t is equal to pi 1 minus pi 2, or pi 2 minus pi 1. Similarly, total voltage V is equal to V1 minus V2. But actual algebraic sum of here, when we apply KVL, V1 plus V2, but mutual induced EMF sign is minus. So therefore, here also same, the current I1, I2 both are same magnitude. I1 is equal to I2 is equal to I only. Here the total induced voltage across series opposing of two coils is V1. But V1 should be again two parts of the induced EMF, self and mutual. Mutual is minus sign. See here L1 di1 by dt minus M into di2 by dt because therefore L1 into di by dt minus M into. Similarly V2 L2 into di2 by dt minus M into di1 by dt minus sign due to series opposing. So L2 into di by dt. Therefore V total is equal to V1 plus V2 L1 plus L2 minus 2M into di by. So V total is equal to L total into di by dt. G equal to L1 plus L2 minus 2M into di by dt. Di by dt, di by dt gets cancelled. L total is equal to L1 plus L2 minus 2M. So we remember what is the total inductance or effective inductance, equivalent inductance in series opposing the algebraic sum of self-inductance and minus 2 times of mutual inductance. So that is about this total inductance. So the L total is total in series opposing. Next, we continue with analysis of parallel magnetic circuits. So here also inductive coupling. When two inductors having self-inductances L1 and L2 are coupled in parallel, mutual inductance M exists between them. There are two kinds of parallel connections. Similarly, we will see what is the parallel aiding, what is the parallel opposing. So first we see the parallel aiding. See here, both are entering. Parallel mean, so all the starting terminals, all the ending terminals get together to be connected. Is parallel. So this is about the self-inductance L1 of coil 1, self-inductance L2 of the coil 2, mutual inductance. So consider parallel aiding of two inductors here, you see here. As per KVL, to both the loops, you see that what is the KVL? What is the KVL? Algebraic sum of voltages and voltage drops in a closed loop. So what is the voltage? V. What are the voltage drops? Two voltage drops. Self-induced EMF and mutual induced EMF. So those we will see here. So V is equal to J omega L1 I1, self-induced EMF. J omega M into I2, mutual induced EMF. Similarly, on the secondary side, V is equal to J into omega L2 I2 plus J into omega M into. So in case of this parallel connection, voltage should be same. Therefore, V is equal to J omega L1 I1 plus J omega M into I2 is equal to J into omega L2 I2 plus J omega M into I1. But as per KCL, I is equal to I1 plus I2. See here. So this is entering current I is equal to, these are the two leaving currents I1 and I2. So therefore, I is equal to I1 plus I2. Substitute I2 is equal to I minus I1 in the above equation. So what's that? J omega L1 I1 okay, but I2 replaced with I minus I1. I2 replaced with I minus I1. Then we analyze, establish the total equation as J omega into I1. Here you will see that all the I1s you separate this. So here J omega I1 L1 plus, here you will go to this term will come to this side L2. And, this term is minus, already this is minus 2M. So therefore minus. So what is the remaining term? I value. So what is this I? J omega into I L2. This M is come this side minus. So L2 minus 1. So therefore, here J omega gets cancelled. I1 is equal to L2 minus M by L1 plus L2 minus 2M into I. Similarly, I2 is equal to, here also, we substitute all these terms in the place of I1 is equal to I minus. We definitely get this equation as I2 is equal to L1 minus M by L1 plus L2 minus 2M. Substitute I1 and I2 in the either equation 1 or equation 2. So here equation 1. J omega, see here L1 into I1. I1 replaced as L2 minus M. Here M into I2. I2 replaced as this. See here. So L1 is L1 into L2 minus M by L1 plus L2 minus 2M. L2 is M into L1 minus M by L1 plus L2. And denominator is the same. Take the LCM. L1 plus L2 minus 2M. Numerator is multiplied L1 L2 minus L1M plus M into L1 minus L1M. So the remaining term is L1 L2 minus M square divided by L1 plus L2 minus 2M J omega into L. But what is this B? B is nothing but J omega into I into L2. J omega is J omega. I gets therefore L2 is L1 L2 minus M square by L1 plus L2 minus 2M. So this is the total inductance of two coils connected in parallel aiding. L1 is self-inductance of coil 1, L2 is self-inductance of coil 2, M is mutual inductance of two coils. Next, parallel opposing. See here. So in this case, parallel opposing. One is entering, another is leaving. Or one is leaving, another is entering. So consider parallel opposing of two inductors as shown in figure. But here, due to this opposing, mutual inductance sign is minus. So here, J omega L1 I1 minus J omega M into I2 voltage. So this voltage will contain across each coil as self-induced EMF, mutual induced EMF. Here also self-induced EMF, mutual induced EMF. J omega L2 I2 minus J omega M into I2. So but in case of parallel connection should be same. J omega L1 I1 minus J omega M into I2 is equal to J omega L2 I2 minus J omega M. As per KCL, I is equal to I1 plus I2. I2 is equal to I minus I1. So here substitute I2, I minus I1. Substitute I2, I1. So multiplied by here, J omega I1 taken as a common, L1. Here minus into minus plus M. And here also minus into minus M, 2M. Again, this L2 will go as L2. On this side, will come back plus L1 plus L2. What is the remaining term? I. So see here, what is that? J omega into L2. And minus will come back on right side of your equality. So then it is become as a plus L2 plus M. So see here, and J omega gets cancelled. L2 plus M by L1 plus L2 plus 2M into R. Here, I2 is equal to L1 plus M by L1 plus L2 plus 2M into I. By substituting, I1 is equal to I minus I2. We'll get this I2. Substitute these values I1 and I2 in equation 1 or 2. Then we'll get in this omega, J omega, L1 into L2 plus M by L1 plus 2M minus M into L1. Take the LCM, L1 plus L2 plus 2M, multiply numerator, L1 into L2 plus L1M minus M into L1 minus M square gets cancelled. Therefore, L1 L2 minus M square by L1 plus L2 plus 2M into I. V total is equal to J omega I into L total. J omega gets cancelled. I gets cancelled. L total is equal to L1 L2 minus M square by L1 plus L2 plus 2M. Equivalent inductance of two coils connected in parallel. Next we will come back. So dear students, you should be understood that. So in case of this here, what is the meaning of opposing? What about this denominator? L1 plus L2 plus 2M. When it is, but what about this total inductance in case of series aiding? L1 plus L2 minus 2M. See here, minus 2M is more or plus 2M is more? Plus 2M is more. Denominator is more. What about the numerator? Is less. So the total inductance is less in case of series opposing. Here L1 plus L2 minus 2M in case of series opposing. If it is minus 2M, so what is the meaning of this denominator? Less value. So what about the numerator value? More value. What is this? Aiding. In case of aiding, what is total inductance? Is more. Increase. So that is about In series aiding, that inductance is more. In series opposing, total inductance is less. So we can understand that in such a way. Next, MMF calculations. See here, in practice, magnetic circuits can be composed of various materials and different permeabilities of different lengths, cross-section areas. See here. So this is one material, another material, A, B, C. Different lengths, L1, L2, L2. Different cross-section areas, A1, A2, A3. Different permeabilities, mu1, mu2, mu3, like this. See here, L1, L2, L3 are lengths of three materials. A1, A2, A3 are cross-section area of three materials. Mu1, mu2, mu3 are permeability of three materials. The coil wound on a ring has n number of turns. See here, number of turns carrying a current of I amperes. Then what about the total MMF? Total number of turns multiplied by this MMF will be distributed across three coils. How it will be distributed? So, but the reluctance of the magnetic circuit is also different. Why? S is equal to L by mu A. L is different, A is different, mu is different. So, here you will see that S total is equal to S1 plus S2 plus S3. L1 by mu1 A1 is first A material, L2 mu2 by A2 B material, L3 by mu3 A3 C material. See here total flux. Total by total reluctance. Ni by St. St is nothing but S1 plus S2 plus. So here we want to multiply this total. So Ni is equal to St into pi. Ni is equal to St into pi. So here what is this St? S1 plus S2 plus S3. Here Ni is equal to S1 into pi plus S2 into pi plus S3 into pi. So S1 into pi is nothing but MMF1. S2 into pi is nothing but MMF2. S3 into pi is equal to MMF3. Total MMF is equal to algebraic sum of MMFs. So like KVL here also. So Kirchhoff magnetic law, magnetic flux. So MMF, Kirchhoff MMF. So here MMF is equal to what is this MMF? H into L1, H1 into L1, H2 into L2, H3 into L. Again H is equal to B by mu. B is nothing but flux density beta. B is permeability. So H1 is equal to B1 by mu1, H2 B2 by mu2, H3. These MMFs will be distributed. So we will go through those points. In series magnetic circuit, we can remember the magnetic flux through all the parts is same. Mean in series circuit current is same. Similarly, magnetic flux is same. The equivalent reluctance is sum of the reluctance of the different parts. In total resistance equals algebraic sum of resistance. Similarly, here also reluctance is equal to S total is equal to S1 plus S2. The resultant EMF in case of this KVL, as per KVL, total supply voltage is equal to algebraic sum of voltage drop across all the elements. So in case of magnetic circuit, resultant MMF is the algebraic sum of MMFs of coils are connected in series. Thank you very much. All the best. Stay home, stay safe. God bless you.